Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today's video about the nesting system. I have installed in my chicken coop. I have installed for these little baby chicks, and for them you can install anywhere else, like on the patio. You can install if you have a dog, a cat, for them. These days in Fresno, California, weather is getting really hot. These chicks really need a little bit of cool down from summer. The misting system is not like a straight water falling on the chickens. It's like just misting, and what they do, they just go under, run away, dry, go under, run away. So I will explain to you how I have installed and what you get and what you need. If you can see, I have installed only one nozzle here and second one on that one, because when I bought it 16 feet with the 6 nozzles, and I installed all 6, and it was too much. You don't need it that much. It depends on how much area you want to cover. If you have a patio somewhere like sitting area, you want to install like every 3-4 feet, covering enough like 2-3 feet area, like 1.5 feet on one side, 1.5 another. Also, like it's misting, so wind will blow. So it's really great to start. What you will get these 6 nozzles with the 16 feet 4-inch hose, like 16 feet, and you will get this one and one end cap. I show you over there. Now another end to show you. The end cap comes with it. It basically pops in. I'll show you on the other nozzles. I have a spare nozzles, and also you will get the other end go to the 3/4 inch hose faucet. So that's really great for your pet, any kind of pet you have it. It comes with everything. It will come with a cutter. You can cut hose and connect. These just push in and out. I'll show you on the spare nozzles how. So here I have 2 spare nozzles. I'm going to show you this compression fitting. You just push in this blue part and the hose will come out. If you don't need it, you can buy a couple other splicers. You can install splicer. It will help you so you don't have a water leak or something, just in case you cut this hose by mistake. Now I'm going to show you how I have a setup, and I will also show you another part it comes with it, like the one goes to the faucet, like to the tap side where you have a in-feed water coming. So actually I have my chicken coop here. I just need it only for my chickens, and my house is far, and water faucet, like water access, is really far. So what I did, I bought that 16 feet misting system. Then I bought about 200 feet 4-inch hose. If you have water close to the chicken coop, they're really easy. But I have 200 feet that white clear hose. I just ran all the way across with my drip system to the water access. The clear hose I ran all the way here. As you can see, I have 2 Bluetooth hose timers. This one is older one. I really like it, so I bought exactly same. So this one made by Hunter BTT. That's I have the system to control water misting system for my chickens. The main line coming from my house water line, and then I have a controller, and this piece also comes with the misting system. You just push in that hose. That's the way you connect. This controller have a 2 timing, like say, and one day you can water 2 times. So what I did, you can water as long as you want. You can have a cycle, you can have a timer. You can timer, like you can time water for like 1 minute, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour. You can also have a cycle like from 8 to 9, then whatever time. Only you can water 2 times a day. You can do 7 days. It also weather intelligence. So basically you can set the way you want. You can skip with the rain 1 day, 2 day, the way you want. You can set up. You don't want to have too much water. Before I was coming every day at noon, turning on and off water coming from my house. It was really hard, so it's good now. It's cost me about $50 from Amazon. You can buy it for $45 plus tax. It will be cost like a $50. Not really bad. Saving your time, saving you from the heat and your chickens, and you don't need to worry about the watering. And if you leave the tab open all day, you can have a misting system. That hose will pop up and the leak, so it's gonna save a lot of water too. So that's really amazing. Only the bad part about this controller, you can have only water 2 times a day. You can buy a different one to set up this one. It comes with this piece and the 2 AA batteries. You would just pop from the back, put it 2 batteries, and then you can install one of the app called Hunter BTT. It will come up automatically. Then you can connect it by Bluetooth. It's not wireless, it's just the Bluetooth. You have to be close to this controller. Once you connect it, will scan, find the controller, select, then you can put auto, manual, the way you want set up. You're done. Just in case you don't have a phone with you, how you can turn off and on this controller, there is also a button. You can press and hold. I'm gonna press and hold, you will hear the click. That's it. Right now it was on, I turned off. You press and hold, click, it will turn on. Water on. That's all. Manually you can turn on and off from here. Off, and it will automatically turn on and off according to your the setup. So that's all. Hope you like my video. If you like, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Meet you in next video with a new topic.